Hey there, so I'm in Ishikawa Prefecture in Kanazawa, and I'm standing actually in front of the 21st Century Museum. It's really cool. You can't take some of the stuff, but there are some awesome things that you can see, so I'll be going in now. First of all though, let's check the outside because they have some pretty cool stuff here too. So we stayed at a hotel called Akatsukiya, and as you can see, it is an incredibly beautiful place. I loved staying here, and as you can see, it's 80 years worth of history just piled up, and being here makes you feel like you're part of Japan, you're part of Japan's culture, and you understand it. So here we are walking up the long staircase to what I call one of the most beautiful places in Japan. It's a bit past 7, the sun has just risen, and we are at Kenroku-en, one of the 3 main Japanese gardens in Japan. I'm not lying when I say I could be here for a whole day. The early morning sun shining upon you and the water just flowing makes you rest and makes you feel peaceful. So here's to one of my favorite places, the Omi Ichiba Food Market, and as you can see, the lovely colors of the foods get together to create the most amazing pictures. And this is a kind of tofu, something you have to try, and these are some fresh foods right in front of you.
So I'm going to be trying some hotaru ikan okitsuke, which is like a kind of squid. I love it.
Eating in Amatsumo was a different experience altogether. Every dish that you got here was made from things in Kaga, and it was a mix of modern and traditional things. As you can see here, the hotaru ika I had was straight from Ama, and it was so delicious. The taste just melted within you, and as you can see, I have no words to stay here. Even this cheesy looking pizza was made from vegetables that were made in Kanazawa, and as you can see, wow. The city of Kanazawa mixes modern and traditional. I am absolutely in love with Ishikawa, and the delicious foods help.